Have you ever wanted to wake up with a lake right outside of your camper? Maybe a swing set not too far away for your family to play on? Or a row of RVs that makes it look like a postcard picture? Found a spot in North Carolina that could be a hidden gem, or it could be a pricey puddle with good lighting. Let's find out. We stayed at the Lakes RV and Cabin Resorts in Maysville, North Carolina shortly before their 1-year anniversary. We pulled in. First impression of the place, clean, new. Our campsite was pretty small. Most of the campsites are really tight together. Our campsite, the picnic table was sitting right next to the sewer and water hookup of the camper next to us. The place will provide a fire ring. There's no regular fire pit. There's no place to put a grill. Luckily, I had our Blackstone 17-inch with us. There's hardly any shade here, similar to how a lot of RV resorts or larger RV campgrounds are. So that was expected. The tent or primitive camping area had a lot to be desired. It was basically just a field with a fire ring. Of the 3 lakes, I believe you could only fish in one of them, maybe 2. And you had to do it from the dock, it looked like. They did offer free kayak and boat rental, I believe. We had to contact them through a phone number. Their office was closed when we got there. It never opened the whole 3 days that we were there. They do offer trash pickup service. Laundry facility was clean with new machines. The bathrooms were very clean and it looked like they were maintained regularly. The swimming pool was beautiful. It was a nice place to hang out. The playground for the kids was pretty nice. It was also new. So on Saturday we packed up, met our friends over at a state park and hopped on a ferry and went over to a desolate island and hung out for the day. Then we went back to the campground, took dinner, just sat around looking up at the stars. While there wasn't a lot of extracurricular activities to do at the campground, I have noticed that they do have more campground-wide events closer to the holidays, which is the norm for a lot of campgrounds. Just hopefully as time goes on, they would be able to incorporate more of that. Have you stayed at the lakes? What are you looking for in a campground resort? We would recommend the lakes to anyone that felt that it was worth the value. We will probably go back again sometime